Luxurious places in the world. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Santorini, Greece. Santorini is a picturesque island in Greece known for its stunning sunsets, whitewashed buildings, and crystal-clear waters. Visit Oia. This charming village is famous for its stunning sunset views and its narrow streets lined with whitewashed buildings and blue-domed churches. Visit the Archaeological Museum of Thera. This museum houses artifacts from ancient Thera, including pottery, sculptures, and mosaics. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Dubai is a luxurious and modern city located in the United Arab Emirates. It is famous for its extravagant shopping, stunning architecture, and world-class entertainment. Visit the Burj Khalifa. Standing at over 828 meters tall, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Visitors can take an elevator to the observation deck on the 148th floor for stunning views of the city. Go shopping. Dubai is known for its luxurious shopping, including the Dubai Mall, which is one of the largest shopping malls in the world. Visit the Palm Jumeirah. This man-made island is shaped like a palm tree and features luxurious resorts, beautiful beaches, and stunning views of the city's skyline. Take a desert safari. Visitors can take a thrilling ride through the desert, experience camel riding, and watch a traditional belly dancing performance. Maldives. The Maldives is a tropical paradise located in the Indian Ocean, known for its stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and world-class diving and snorkeling. Relax on the beaches. The Maldives is famous for its white sand beaches and crystal-clear waters. Visitors can relax, sunbathe, and swim in the warm waters of the Indian Ocean. Visit the capital city of Male. This vibrant city is home to colorful markets, historic mosques, and the Maldives National Museum. Take a seaplane tour. Visitors can take a seaplane tour of the Maldives to see the stunning islands and atolls from above. Paris, France. Paris is known as the City of Light and is one of the world's most popular travel destinations. With its stunning architecture, world-class museums, and charming cafes, Paris offers something for everyone. Visit the Eiffel Tower. This iconic structure is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Visitors can take an elevator to the top for stunning views of the city. Explore the Louvre Museum. The Louvre is one of the world's largest and most famous museums, featuring thousands of works of art, including the Mona Lisa. Walk along the Champs-Élysées. This famous avenue is lined with shops, cafes, and theaters, and is home to the iconic Arc de Triomphe. Visit Montmartre. This charming neighborhood is famous for its narrow streets, artists' studios, and stunning views of the city. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and world-class cuisine, Paris is a must-visit destination for travelers. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.